Okay, this is the Joule Sous Vide, and I love this thing. So I use this thing primarily for chicken breasts. You know, if you cook chicken breasts too long, it gets really like dry and rubbery, and I hate that. But if you put your chicken breast, season it up into a hot water container or even a pan, and you use it with sous vide, you know, you can get really nice, tender chicken. And then you could do a quick sear on the stove once you're done sous videing it. But it just really makes the chicken so tender and juicy, so much better than like trying to do it in the oven and overcooking it by accident or whatever. Sometimes it just comes out rubbery when you cook like chicken breast, especially in the oven. I also love this for steaks. We do a lot of our steaks with the sous vide. We put the sous vide in the bag, cook it, and then we sear it afterwards. So you could either sear it before or afterwards, but I like searing it afterwards. I don't know why. I just like getting the brown on it, the char on it afterwards. So it also makes a really nice tender steak. You can be very precise about the temperature that you cook your meats into. You could do fish in here too. We don't use it that much for fish. Definitely for steak. I love it for steak and especially chicken breasts. And what's cool is that it doesn't have any indicators on here. It does have one LED light, but there is an app that you use and connect it to your phone. So you can be anywhere in the house and monitor your food. You don't have to be standing right in front of the stove, checking what color the sous vide is to see if your food is ready to take out or not. So the app is super convenient. It alerts you when it's done, so you don't even have to watch it on your phone. It'll pop up a notification on your phone and let you know that the food is done. It's one of my favorite things to cook with if you really want a nice, especially with meat, if you really want nice tender meat.